Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to customize Cleo's chatbot personality. Now, Cleo is known for its fun, cheeky personality, but you can tailor her tone based on your preference for, tough love, that's the roast mode, or positive encouragement, which is the hype mode. Now, explanation on the modes. The roast mode, Cleo is going to call you out on bad spending habits with sarcasm and witty roast. This is ideal if you need a kick in the budget. For hype mode, Cleo cheers you on and motivates you with encouraging, feel good messages, which are perfect for users who prefer positive reinforcements. Now, here's how to switch between modes. Option 1 through chats. Now, you're going to open the Cleo app, tap the chat tab, that's at the bottom or the top bar, of course, depending on your version, and then just type roast me to enable roast mode, or hype me up to enable hype mode, or you can just type change personality to explore options. Now, Cleo will confirm and change the tones immediately, but the second option is through settings. Now, just tap the menu icon in the Cleo app and then select settings and Cleo personality, and then toggle between roast or hype mode. Now, changes apply instantly in your chats and your notifications. Now, a couple of things to note. Clio can also be set to default mode, which will balance playful and helpful tones. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.